Traveling is one of the most exciting and rewarding experiences. It allows you to explore new places, meet different people, and experience diverse cultures. However, travel can also be challenging, especially when dealing with packing, flight bookings, accommodation, and unexpected surprises along the way. To make your next trip smoother, more enjoyable, and cost-effective, here are 10 essential travel hacks that will save you time, money, and stress. 1. Pack smart and light. Overpacking is one of the biggest mistakes travelers make. Carrying too much luggage can be tiring and can result in expensive baggage fees. Instead, pack light and smart by selecting versatile clothing items that you can mix and match. Stick to essential outfits and roll your clothes instead of folding them. Rolling not only saves space, but also helps prevent wrinkles. Use packing cubes to keep your suitcase organized and make it easier to find items quickly. Also consider bringing a lightweight backpack or foldable tote bag for day trips or carrying souvenirs. To further minimize your load, opt for travel-sized toiletries and multi-purpose items, such as a scarf that can double as a blanket or a jacket with plenty of pockets for carrying small essentials. If you plan to shop during your trip, leave some space in your luggage to accommodate new purchases. 2. Use flight search engines to find cheap tickets. Flights are often one of the most expensive parts of travel, but there are ways to save money. Use flight search engines like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak to compare prices across different airlines. These platforms allow you to set up price alerts so you can book when fares drop. Additionally, booking flights on certain days, such as Tuesday or Wednesday, can help you secure lower prices. Another useful tip is to be flexible with your travel dates. Flights are generally cheaper during off-peak seasons, and flying midweek rather than on weekends can lead to significant savings. Consider using the incognito mode when searching for flights to avoid price increases due to repeated searches. 3. Bring a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial while traveling, but constantly buying bottled water can be expensive and harmful to the environment. Instead, carry a reusable water bottle with a built-in filter. Many airports, hotels, and public places have water refill stations, allowing you to save money while reducing plastic waste. A filtered water bottle is especially helpful if you are traveling to destinations where tap water may not be safe to drink. Bringing a collapsible water bottle is also a great idea, as it takes up less space when empty. Some travel-friendly bottles even come with clip-on hooks, making them easy to attach to a backpack. 4. Download offline maps. Navigating a new city can be confusing, especially if you don't have internet access. To avoid getting lost, download offline maps from Google Maps or apps like Maps.me before your trip. This way you can access directions, locate landmarks, and find nearby restaurants without needing Wi-Fi or mobile data. Additionally, taking screenshots of maps and important travel information, such as addresses and transportation routes, can be useful if your phone battery runs low or you're in an area with poor reception. Some apps also allow you to save favorite locations, so you can easily access them later. 5. Use ATMs instead of currency exchange counters. Exchanging money at airport kiosks or currency exchange booths often comes with high fees and poor exchange rates. A smarter option is to withdraw local currency from an ATM using your debit or credit card. ATMs generally offer better exchange rates and lower transaction fees. Before your trip, inform your bank of your travel plans to avoid any issues with card transactions. Additionally, check if your bank has partnerships with foreign banks to reduce withdrawal fees. Using a credit card with no foreign transaction fees can also help save money on purchases abroad. 6. Choose the right travel insurance. Many travelers underestimate the importance of travel insurance, but it can be a lifesaver in case of emergencies. Unexpected events such as medical emergencies, flight cancellations, lost baggage, or trip interruptions can happen at any time. Having the right travel insurance ensures that you are protected financially and can receive assistance if needed. Websites like World Nomads and Safety Wing offer affordable travel insurance plans tailored to different types of travelers. When choosing a policy, make sure it covers medical expenses, emergency evacuations, and theft or loss of valuables. 7. Book accommodation with free breakfast. Accommodation costs can add up quickly, but one way to save money is by choosing hotels or hostels that offer free breakfast. This allows you to start your day with a nutritious meal without spending extra money. Many budget-friendly accommodations include breakfast in their rates, making them a great option for cost-conscious travelers. If free breakfast is not included, consider buying groceries from local markets or supermarkets. Stocking up on snacks and easy-to-make meals can help you cut down on dining expenses while still enjoying local food at restaurants for lunch or dinner. 8. Keep digital copies of important documents. Losing your passport, Idaho, or travel tickets can ruin your trip. To avoid problems, scan and save digital copies of important documents on your phone, email, or a cloud service like Google Drive. These backups can help speed up replacements at embassies or airline counters if your items are lost or stolen. Additionally, carry a photocopy of your passport and visa so you don't have to risk losing the originals. Store them separately from the originals for extra security. It's also wise to write down emergency contacts, including your country's embassy, local emergency numbers, and your bank's fraud department in case your cards are lost or stolen. Using a secure password manager to store sensitive details can also be helpful. Keep digital copies protected with passwords or encryption to prevent unauthorized access. Taking these precautions can make handling travel emergencies much easier. 9. Use public transportation instead of taxis. Using public transportation instead of taxis is a smart way to save money while traveling. Taxis and ride-hailing services can be expensive, especially in tourist hotspots where prices may surge. Public transportation, such as buses, trains, and metro systems, offers a more budget-friendly alternative. Many cities provide tourist passes that allow unlimited travel for a fixed period, making commuting even more affordable. Before your trip, research the public transportation options at your destination. Apps like Google Maps, Move It, and City Mapper can help you navigate routes, check schedules, and find the best transit choices. Additionally, walking or renting a bike can be excellent alternatives, allowing you to explore the city at a leisurely pace while cutting costs. By using public transportation, you not only save money, but also experience the city like a local. It's an eco-friendly and efficient way to get around while making the most of your travel budget. 10. Learn basic local phrases. If you're traveling to a country where you don't speak the language, learning a few basic phrases can make your trip easier and more enjoyable. Simple words like hello, thank you, please, and excuse me can help you interact politely with locals. Questions such as, where is the bathroom, or how much does this cost, are also useful for navigating daily situations. Learning key phrases shows respect for the local culture and can make people more willing to assist you. Apps like Duolingo, Google Translate, and Memories are great tools for picking up essential words and practicing pronunciation. Carrying a small phrasebook or downloading offline translation tools can be helpful, especially in areas with limited internet access. Even if your pronunciation isn't perfect, locals will likely appreciate your effort. A little language knowledge can lead to friendlier interactions, smoother travel experiences, and a deeper connection with the place you're visiting. In conclusion, traveling is an enriching experience, but preparation is key to making the most of your journey. By following these 10 essential travel hacks, you can reduce stress, save money, and enhance your overall travel experience. From packing smart and booking affordable flights to staying safe and learning local phrases, these tips will help you navigate new destinations with confidence. So, get ready for your next adventure, explore the world, and create unforgettable memories. If you like this, please subscribe. It helps. Thank you.